Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Kelli Publish, and today we are going to continue the unboxing series and talk about TeePublic. TeePublic is a print-on-demand platform, and fun fact, it is actually owned by Redbubble. They offer many different types of products, from apparel to magnets to stickers, and one of their newest products I noticed was notebooks. In this video, I'm going to unbox a shirt that I ordered. I'm going to share my thoughts on the product, and I'm also going to share my thoughts on the business opportunity that TeePublic provides. So I thought it was really cool the package it came in. Just a fun, funky design. Not going to flip that over and show my address, but you can see it's from TeePublic. And then easily just using scissors to open it. I know when I was cutting, I thought I was opening the product, but no. So opening the product, just the t-shirt that I ordered. This was not my design. TeePublic does offer sales, so I just picked an affordable shirt of a design that I liked. And that's the brand name, size small, men's. And here is the design, just simple text. It was a like turquoise blue shirt that I ordered, and that's what it looked like. Like I said, it was a small men's, so little tight. I do wear a small men's in premium with merch as well. So like I mentioned in the unboxing, I really love the shirt, the design, and the color was so unique. I was really happy with my purchase. The feel is really nice, and it's a higher quality than just a merch standard shirt. Personally, it was about the same as a merch premium shirt, because like I said, that shirt was a size men's small, and it felt pretty similar to a merch premium shirt, which I ordered a men's size small in that as well. I really like with TeePublic the fact that you have a lot more colors to choose from. You know, on merch, we can select just some colors, but on TeePublic, I don't remember the exact number, but I know it seemed like it was 10, 15, maybe 20. Now the cost of the shirt was $14. Like I mentioned, it was on sale. How it works is they'll have sales from time to time, but any newly uploaded designs are also on sale. So I knew I wanted to try out TeePublic just to see how it was. So I just chose the ones on sale, and I found a design that I liked. The shipping for this was $6.99. I thought it was slightly high, and I did try to get free shipping. I had my cart at one point over $100, and it still was not free shipping. So it just seems like TeePublic does not offer that option. I don't know if there would be any codes to have free shipping at all. I did not try. Now, it did take quite a bit of time to get to me. It took 13 days, including weekends. However, when I did order this shirt, it came from Florida, and they were having a major hurricane at the time, so I don't know if it was delayed due to that or if that's their normal time for shipping products. Now, since filming the unboxing, I have worn it and I have washed it probably around 5 or 6 times. And the other day, I noticed some holes like on the shoulder. This isn't the TeePublic shirt I'm wearing, but I noticed just a few holes around the seam. They're small enough that it really doesn't stop me from wearing it again, but it was just something that I noticed about the shirt. So would I order it again? Probably. And I would probably try other products like the hoodies or maybe even the journals, see if it's similar to Redbubble. Now, is this a good business opportunity? Personally, I have roughly 250 designs uploaded on TeePublic, and I just checked my reports this morning, and as of this filming, I've made less than $100 over the lifetime. And this year, I really have not uploaded much at all to TeePublic. So those designs are pretty much from last year and maybe the year before. I don't remember when I started my account. And unlike Redbubble, for TeePublic, as of right now, designers do not set their own price. So it seems like with TeePublic, the platform is more for artistic designs, and me with no graphic design background, and I don't have a lot of skills yet for the platform, so I just uploaded a lot of text-based designs. So maybe that's why my earnings really aren't too significant at this point. However, I do think it's a pretty cool business opportunity. Maybe you are maxed out on slots on merch. Maybe you just want to try something new. Maybe you have all those artistic designs and what you know is perfect for this platform. So I wouldn't rule it out altogether. Now, with the journals that I mentioned earlier, is this going to be a good replacement for KDP? Now, the journals are quite new. I just noticed them when I logged into this morning to get the data for this video, and I haven't sold any up to this point. And also the interiors are all lined, so you cannot upload your own interior. So just like Redbubble, they're spirals and hardbound, so potentially, but I don't think it's going to replace the no content and low content since you cannot upload your own interiors. But what is really cool, I noticed that unlike merch, when they get new designs, you got to go and manually add them. With TeePublic, that's not always the case. I noticed that they added the journals recently. However, some of my designs are already uploaded, can be already uploaded onto journals. It's not like that for every single product, but I think that's a pretty cool feature. Now, how much will you get paid? I mentioned I've made less than $100 lifetime, but for t-shirts, when they're on sale, you get a $2 royalty. When they're not on sale, you get a $4 royalty. For the hoodies, when they're on sale, you get $4. When they're not on sale, you get $8. So not too bad. And you get paid really quickly. I think that's probably the coolest thing on this platform. For all the sales that happened in the previous month, you get paid by the 15th of the next month. So we're in October. All the sales I make in October, I'll get paid November 15th. And I get set up paid by PayPal. I don't know if that's the only option. So I hope this helps. I will include a link in the description if you are interested in setting up a TeePublic business. If you have any other questions, or I'd also like to hear your feedback about the platform. Does this sound pretty cool? Are you already on it, having any success? I'd love to hear from you. So until next time, we'll talk soon.